Well, Mark, metals are on the move with copper, silver, palladium, the big gainers of the day, while oil falls for a fifth day, and hedge funds are looking at corn. Let's start with silver, up 4% in the regular session. The dollar's declined for a fifth straight session played a role. For copper, which hit its highest price in 8 weeks, the big jump in China's imports helped drive trading. China, of course, the world's top metals user. And there's been a break in what one trader called a free fall in natural gas. Today's inventory data, what initially pushed futures lower, resulted in a big turnaround. This was after the government clarified some of the gain was reclassified gas, and traders scrambled to cover their bearish bets by buying back in. Mark?
Sue, you mentioned hedge funds betting on corn. Is weather a big factor here?
Pretty much. We've got changing weather that is the factor, and it's hard to ignore the continuing extremes in weather that we're seeing right now. That flooding we mentioned yesterday continues, and now we've got wildfires. More than 1,000 firefighters are battling flames related to Southern California's Santa Ana winds, and some homes have been lost, 1,500 residents evacuated, and authorities say the wildfire is expanding. Meanwhile, that flooding is still a threat to Missouri and Tennessee residents, shutting down highways and causing evacuations from homes. Now, these extreme conditions are related to what's now causing hedge funds to make record bets on corn. We went from last season's near-record drought that led to a scarce crop and record prices to now looking at a 30% jump in the harvest or surplus as crops recover and prices tumble. Analysts now say we could see the largest world supply in 13 years. The hedge funds have made record bearish bets in recent weeks. Goldman is saying prices could drop to $3.50 a bushel this year, and that's more than $1 a bushel lower from today's trade.